If you want to completely hide the apps in your Samsung S25 or S26 from your parents or children's, then let us see what to do. Now for this one, we will use secure folder. So open secure folder. Make sure that you have applied pin to the secured folder. So once you open the secure folder, tap on the plus icon here. Now you can include the applications which is right now present on the home screen of your Samsung phone. For example, let me hide Messenger. Select it and then add. So you can see Messenger is now inside the secure folder. Now you will have two copies of the application. One is inside the secure folder and the other one will be still on the apps screen. So what you need to do is you need to remove the application that is present on the apps screen and only keep that application which is inside this secure folder. Now remember, you have to again log into the application in order to use it. So once you have added the application inside the secure folder and removed it from the apps screen, you can tap on these three dotted icons here and select this option log and exit. Now next time what happens is people won't be able to see the apps on the home screen, and if they try to search by using this search bar, then they won't be able to find the application if it is only inside the secure folder. And you only can open the secure folder because you only know the passcode and it will be hidden from others. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful.